You should always consult your pharmacist or healthcare provider before using Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder. They can provide you with the proper dosage and best timing for taking this medication. Your pharmacist or physician is the best person to consult before starting Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder. They will be able to provide you with the proper dosage and timing for your specific needs. Please consult your pharmacist or physician for more information regarding the side effects of Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and report any side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder is used to help people who have stopped taking opioids to avoid taking them again. It is also used to help alcoholics stay alcohol-free. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication should be determined by your doctor. Your pharmacist or physician is the best person to consult before starting Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder. They will be able to provide you with the proper dosage and timing for your specific needs. Be sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder. It's important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist when discussing Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder. Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder is used to prevent relapse in people who became dependent on opioid medicine and then stopped using it. It is also used to treat alcoholism by reducing the urge to drink alcohol. The recommended daily dosage is determined by your doctor and should be taken at the same time each day. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions and not to take more or less than the prescribed amount. If someone has taken too much Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or reach out to your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can contact a provincial poison control center for assistance. Unfortunately, there is no official information available about Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder at this time. Your pharmacist or physician is the best person to consult before starting Naltrexone Hcl, bulk, 100% powder. They will be able to provide you with the proper dosage and timing for your specific needs. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.